Hey, lovelies. This is Slap Out Lash Girl Melissa. Yeah, I like to call myself that because I'm a place called Slap Out. Yes, I am. It's in Alabama, people. But it is a real place. But I want to talk to you a little bit about wing liner. Now, I am 60 years old and just turned 60 about 2 or 3 weeks ago. So, do I do wing liner? Yes, I do. But, however, I got a product in that I want to try. I'm going to try it with you. It's called Eye Method Beauty. And this is something that you can use. It's a little stamp. It's kind of supposed to be foolproof. So we are going to try this out. There are 2 tubes in here. They're black. It only comes in black. But let's give it a shot, okay? Because I want to make this eye look I have on a little more drama for the mama. It is Addiction Palette 10 from Unique. It is absolutely gorgeous. These colors are amazing. They're so pretty. Very, very pretty. And I've had this on all day. So I came home and I decided if I'm going out somewhere, I'm going to do some wing liner. Okay, so I have them out of the package. This is them. And you're going to get one that says right eye and one that says left. This is right and this is left. Yes, it is, because you can see it right here on the page. Just look right in here and you'll see right wing, left wing, okay? And so I'm going to do the right side because it's the best side, I think, for you to see how to do this. If you have trouble, maybe you have a lot of creasing here, I don't really have that much creasing, but however, I am hooded and I do have, a lot of loose skin here in this area. So wings are hard to do for us older ladies. And I've tried this once or twice and I really did like it. So I want to show you how to get this dramatic looking eye that we seem to lose when we get older. So let me show you how this works. One side is the stamp. You see that? It's a little winged like stamp. It's hard for you to see. See it? So what this does, it's going to go on. Let me see if I can do it on my hand. See that? You see that? This part right here goes right here in the corner of your eye and you do a stamp. Okay? Then on this side, you have the liner part of it, the wing that you can create. Now you can use this or you can use your own black eyeliner. Sometimes I will use this. Sometimes I will use Unique's black liner. I just use this one here. This one here, I like to use it. It's got a nice felt tip. This has one too. But let's get this started and let me show you how to do this. So make sure you look at it. Make sure it says right, okay? We're going to take this and you want to put it right. Here's the corner of my eye. I do have some mascara on, so that really does help because you can actually see where it needs to go up. So take this and take it right in the corner of your eye and do your stamp. It's like that. You see it? Do you see that? Isn't that amazing? Even with wrinkles, you can do this. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Don't think you can't do something. I'm 60. If I can do it, you can do it. And so do you see how that works? Can you see it? Isn't that cute? So what I'm going to do is take this. You can take this and you draw it back. And you can use this or you can use your own. It doesn't matter. This is perfect for it. It's already on our eye anyway. Look at that. That is so pretty. Now you can make it thicker if you want to. I don't get in a hurry to do this. I actually look at it. I work with it. Look at that. I'm a pro. Not really, but I do love to do this, and I think it's a lot of fun. Now, you do have to let it dry. Don't be trying to go somewhere and not let it dry. Just let it sit there and dry. Look at that. Now, I'm going to kind of finish it up. I'm going to do this eye, and then we're going to see what the two look like together. Okay, so I have my wings here. You see them? They're wings. And then what I'm going to do is sometimes as older ladies, our skin is just a little bit not taut anymore. So what you want to do is get it where you need it, okay? And then leave it and let it dry. Let it dry. Don't touch it. Just let it be. And when it dries, this is what I will do. I will come back and I love to use like a black liner pencil. It just makes it easier on our older eyes. But the cool thing about the stamp thing is it gets it in the placement that we need it so that we can create that wing. that we would not be able to create any other way. I can't get it to do it like that. I love the way these are designed. You have a left and a right, and it has the little hook to it, and then you can create whatever you want, okay? It's that easy. So let me show you how to use the pencil to create the rest of this. What I do is I've already got the line. All I've got to do is kind of fill in and make it as thick as I want, as long as I want. I don't want it to go any longer than this. Just connect everything like a little triangle. You see that? Cool. And then bring it up and just make this part a little darker. See, I've already done this side over here. And then you can bring it underneath if you want to make it real drama, or you can tight line just a little bit right here like this, which is kind of cool because it darkens it too. Makes it really, really cool looking. And then you could bring it underneath. I don't really like a whole lot of dark under here. Oh, I love it. And I'm going to come back over here. Now, one side of my eyes is different than the other. This side is much easier to deal with than this side. This side has a little bit more crepiness to it. So if I want to take this out just a little bit more, I just kind of hold my skin taut and then just bring it back and just make that line. Because see, it's going to pop back in place. Older skin is a challenge. Let me just say it is. It is a challenge, but you can do this, and I love it. Look at that. That's a nice little wing. Nice, nice little wing. And if you want to buff it out, you can buff it out with a brush or something like that. If you were going to do something like that, I would get a brush, something like this, and you can go through here, and if you make boo-boos, you can clean it up all the way across. It's not a big deal. You can come right through here. This is a great brush. This is a Morphe brush, an M431. Yes, I think that's it. But look at that. How cool is that? Ah, I got wings. I'm going to fly away now, girlfriend. All right, so this is what we used. Try it out. I think you'll like it. Even if you just use the stamp part of it, the stamp part of it is incredible. The stamp, because it gets it where it needs to be, and then you can create the wing that you want, okay? So go try it. I think you'll like it. See you later.